Hi all, welcome to a new video. The entire setup looks like the ring game that is played in the exhibition, but this is a list of the basic essential not to be missed kitchen items when you are planning to move abroad. Let's get started. Whichever part of world we are, this sound is a constant and we cannot live without this. It is a pressure cooker. Always carry a big and a small pressure cooker differing in its capacity. I carried a 3-liter one and a 10-liter one. Also carry the inner utensils and additional parts like the rubber, the safety valve and the whistles. These are small, don't occupy much space. As they wear out due to regular or daily usage, you can replace them immediately at home instead of waiting for someone to bring from India. These days, we get local versions but may not be as convenient as the Indian one. The next music, which is always a constant again, is this. It is a mixie. They come in two variants in motor capacity, a 500 watts and the 750 watts. Prefer carrying 750 watts for effective usage instead of 500 to take larger loads and perfect for fine grinding as we use it for grinding our chutneys, the gunpowder, the idli dosa batter. Also make sure to carry the converter or adapter. They are less in weight and they are expensive here. Since it's not heavy, bring from India considering the cost perspective as well. Next is the chapati stand and the roller. You can skip the stand in case if you have luggage constraints because there are granite platforms here on which you can make your chapatis. I have a small platform in my kitchen and carrying this helped. Next is the dosa pan. Prefer a 25 cm flat tawa base. Ideally fits on all European kitchen glass top flame. Wider in base than this, comes out of the marked flame area and goes uneven in shape on uneven heating. So if you make dosas regularly, carry them. We get local ones, they are not durable. I have been using this pan since 1.5 years without any complaint. We'll be adding the link in the description of the purchase. Now the miscellaneous items, it also depends on your personal choice. The mortar and pestle comes handy in making your own masalas. Next is a garita or karandi for serving our regular sambar and rasam. Next is a karandi or girita with holes. For deep frying items like puris and other snacks, we need this. I even remember sharing this with my Indian friend as I forgot to bring it from India. The idki or the patakara to lift hot plates is a must again. You may wonder why steel glasses. At the end, I did not have luggage space to carry the idli racks or the idli stand. So I bought these glasses. I fill in the idli batter and steam it in pressure cooker. I will also add a picture of the idlis that come out of it. For fine filtering, bring the tea filter from India. The ones we get here have bigger holes and the tea powder also get into it when filtering. This small kadai comes handy in most of our Indian cookings. It doesn't occupy much space, so try carrying it. All the mentioned items are shared among Indian families in case they miss bringing it from India. You may think we could get pre-owned ones, but these get sold off immediately in any of the moving out sale groups. Also showing a quick demo on how all this get into one suitcase. You get 2 check-in luggages and you could pack one suitcase with all the kitchen items and you could also cushion it with your clothes. I've just shown it roughly. You could even do a better packing. Also, you could use the cooker space inside. This is just for your reference. You could adjust and pack your clothes accordingly. This video is totally made with my personal experiences and struggles that I faced with the local versions when I had moved to Europe in 2016. I hope this video would be useful for anyone traveling abroad for the first time. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get immediately notified.